In this video, we're gonna see how to automate any task in a browser using LLMs like Gemini Pro or DeepSeek models. To automate it, you just have to give a prompt. You consider for the demo, I have give you a prompt like go to the Open Router website and tell me the free API models. To consider, it will automatically open up the Open Router website and it will search for the free API models. You consider, then it will give us the results. Let us see how to do this automation using Gemini Pro models, or you can use any LLM. In this case, we have choose the Gemini Pro. So let's get started. The tool that we're gonna use in this video is the Nanobrowser. You consider open source AI web agent. You consider it is running in our browser itself that will automate any task that we mentioned. So just head over to this Nanobrowser. You consider, as I mentioned, it is an open source. This is the GitHub page, and consider it has a star of 6.3K. You can just download this code to modify it if you want. As I mentioned, it is an open source. So if you go to this nanobrowser.ai website, if you want to install it, just click on this add to Chrome. Consider here we have an option called the add to Chrome. Just click on this. So if you are using the Edge, don't worry, we can install it. You consider, just click on this option called the get, and let me select the add extension. So just give you a few minutes, it will take some time to download. To consider it starts downloading the extension for us. Now the extension has been added successful. Just click on this extension icon and I'm gonna select this extension. So let me select this extension now. You consider this the extension Nanobrowser. Here is the text box where you can put the prompt. So you can give any prompt to automate, but first we have to set up this Nano extension. For this, just click on the settings. So let me click on the settings. You consider here first we have to provide the LLMs, that is what LLM that we need to use to do the automation jobs. You consider, if you click on add LLM provider, that is the new provider. So let me click on this new provider. Consider here we have the OpenAI, we have the DeepSeek, we have Gemini, Anthropic, Claude. You can choose whatever you want, but in this case I'm gonna stick with Gemini. Here we have to paste the API key. To get the API key for Gemini, so just open a new tab now and go to the website called the aistudio.google.com. Just head over to this website to get the API key. Consider this the website. So let me minimize this Nano browser. Here just click on API key to get the API key. So let me click on it and here click on create API key. And let me select my project, that is the Gemini API, and click on create API key. Consider this is generating the API key for us. And let me copy it. So don't worry, I will delete this API key after this video and paste the API key here and just click on save. So if you want to use the DeepSeek, you can also add that. So let me show you how to get the DeepSeek API key now. Consider you have to select the planner model, also navigation model. We will deal with this later. First, let us see how to get the DeepSeek API key. If you click on add new provider, consider we have a option called the DeepSeek. To get the API key for the DeepSeek, just open new browser and type open router. So using the open router, we can get the DeepSeek API key and just click on this link. Is the open router page for the DeepSeek. Here we have to sign in. So we have to sign in to get the API key. Just click on the sign in button and I'm gonna continue with Google and let me select my Google account. Now I have successfully signed into my account. So let me click on this terms and condition and click on continue. So once you are successfully signed in to the open router, you can search for the models. So in the search bar, just type DeepSeek and select this free model. Consider DeepSeek R1. This is a free model. Here we have the option called the API. Just click on API and click on create API key. And here click on API key and give a name for your API key. In this case, I'm gonna give DeepSeek API and just click on create. Consider it will give us the API key. So let me copy this. If you want to use the DeepSeek, here just select the DeepSeek and provide the API key. But I'm not gonna do this because in this video I'm gonna stick with the Gemini Pro. So if you want to use the DeepSeek, just follow the steps that I mentioned. After that, you have to select the model for planner, navigator, and validator. So for the planner, we're gonna choose your model called the. So here in this case, we're gonna choose the Gemini 2.5 flash preview. And if you want to change the temperature, you can also do that. For the navigator, I'm gonna choose the Gemini 2.5 as well. And for the validator, we can choose the same model if you want. In this case, if you want to increase the temperature, you can also do that. So this is the configuration for the Nano browser. So let me close all the tabs and we can give the prompt now. So make sure you save it So let me open up the Nano browser now. Let me open up Nano browser. Here for a prompt, we can type any prompt here. For the first prompt, I'm gonna give like go to the open router and list me all the pay models. That is the API models. Go to open router and tell me the three API models. And here you have to press the button called the send. So just click on the send button and that's it. Now you don't have to do anything. The Nano browser will automatically do its job. Consider here it says for the open router. You consider it automatically says for the open router and consider the navigator is searching for the open router website. You consider it is moving to the open router website directly. I'm not doing anything. It is done by the Nano browser automatically. Isn't this amazing? The Nano browser will automatically do any task that you mentioned by using the prompt. So just give you a few minutes to search for the free model. So consider it goes to the official open router website and just give you a few minutes. You consider now it goes to the models page and let's see if it lists all the free models. Consider it is applying the prompt pricing. You can see what is the Nano browser is doing on the right hand side. You consider it is applying the planner as well as the navigator. Just give it a few minutes. It will take some time. You consider this is the planner. Click on the prompt pricing button to see if it reveals more interactive elements. It will take some time. Just give you a few minutes. You consider now we got the free models here. That is the DeepSeek R113 model. I think all the models listed here are the free API models. Isn't this amazing? We got all the free models without touching our hand on the keyboard. You consider Servom AI, Servom M, which is a free API model. And we also got the Claude model here. I think we got the result right. That is the, you consider here we had the Mistral free model. We can stop it now. We got our result here. So let me click on the stop button now. Consider here we have the DeepSeek R1 model. So let me stop this and I'm gonna open up the new Nano browser now. Consider this the results that we got after we mentioned the prompt. So let me close this and I'm gonna see the results here. We consider all the models listed here are the free models. So let me open up the Nano browser one more time and for the prompt I'm gonna give like go to the Amazon.com and search for the graphics card RTX or 5090. So we're gonna give this prompt. Go to Amazon.com and search for the RTX 5090 graphics card. This is our prompt now. So just click on send button now. You consider the planner is planning now. Go to Amazon.com. This is the first step. You consider it goes to the Amazon.com. You consider now we got the Amazon.com page. Let's see if it says for the RTX 5090 graphics card. You consider it is typing the RTX 5090 graphics cards automatically. I am not touching our finger on the keyboard. It is typing automatically. Consider now we got the results. RTX 2019 graphics card and we got the price results here. So consider the validator is now checking if we got the result accurately. Just give you a few minutes. Consider successfully search for RTX 2019 graphics card on Amazon. The search results are displayed on the page. You consider this is the results that we got for the prompt. Go to Amazon.com and search for the graphics card. If you want to see the history, you can click on this button called the clockwise symbol. Just click on this. Consider this is the chat history that we have and this is the Discord server. You may think you can also do this on the N18 website, but this Nano browser has all the advanced features like it will automatically solve a captcha if it encounters any, because if you are using the automation you'll be encountered by the captcha. So on the N18 you can't have this facility. On the N18 you have to manually set up everything. You have to manually set up the all the nodes. But here you just have to give a prompt and the Nano browser will do the job for you. So yeah, this is how you automate any task using the LLM like the Gemini Pro in this case to do your job. So this is for this video and I will continue in the next one.